Morning guys, June 22nd, 2023. So I got a call from a guy who's got one of these Spark fireplaces. It's kind of a fancy fireplace, and I work on a couple of these back in the day, and they're really high-end fireplaces. And I do have some parts that I had in the garage that they sent me, and I have been working on them in the past, but they want me to go all over the state working on these things. You know, Boston and Springfield, and 2-hour ride one way. It's like I can't do it. So I stay local, but most of the time the people that have these are in Boston or Framingham, and they're calling me, and I'm not going to drive an hour and a half just to go fix a fireplace. But anyway, this guy, he's in my town. I guess I've worked for him before, or I fixed this before, and he's calling me back. He says they're like electronic spark. They got electronic ignition on them, and you got to have 14 inches of this. I believe this is a propane one. You got to have the full, like if it's regular gas, 3.8 inches of mercury, and if it's propane, you gotta have 14 inches of mercury for it to work right. So sometimes that makes a difference. If the pressure's too low, it's not gonna work right. Anyway, we're gonna just go over there and see if we can get it to work. It might just be dirty, needs cleaning. Who knows? But I do have some parts for it. Hopefully we can get it going. It's probably like 10 years old, he said. Might be interesting. Thing, Miss Molly. We'll help out this cat.
Turn right on Brussels Hills Road.
It's got batteries in this thing. AAA batteries. I don't know if he changed them. Yeah, these are special batteries. These are rechargeable ones. I don't think I got any more of those. Is on. Got this thing turned up, but it's not firing. Could be enough gas pressure coming into this thing.
I think I better give you the.
I got it. I figured it out. So yeah, the pilot come on there. You never changed these batteries, huh? These are special. You did. These are special batteries. Did you see them?
No, they're regular batteries.
No, they're not.
I change them every.
They're special batteries.
I change them. I take them out when I leave. I'm not here in the winter, so I change them every spring. I put them in.
Okay. They almost look like they're different batteries.
No, they're. Believe me, I've been doing this for years.
So the pilot come on and she shut off.
Exactly.
That's what's happening now.
Yeah.
And then after 3 times you might fire.
Yeah, I wasn't doing that anymore.
Wasn't even.
Does that mean the gas flow is not coming to it?
Huh?
Does that mean that the gas flow is not coming to it?
Well, it could be. Alright, so we'll turn it on. We'll have to check it.
You were telling me once before that it has to be hot enough or something like that, right?
That's the what?
Does it have to be hot enough or?
Oh, there is a power pile in there that probably got to heat up.
All right.
Have you noticed that the flames been wimpier than usual?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe it is dirty in there.
All right, I'll let you know.
You can probably try taking it apart and giving that thing a good cleaning first thing, you know? That's always a good idea to give that thing a good cleaning.
I figured, okay.
Yeah, because it looks a little wimpy, that flame.
Yep.
Let's see if we can open this thing up. Bolts from the top, it looks like. We're gonna do that. We're gonna clean that sucker up. Let's see if I can unbolt this from the top here. Maybe get it out of the way. This thing. Nothing but quality here. Get up there and clean that pilot assembly. Might not be, might be dirty. I'll start with that. Pretty good. Let's see what the hell's going on here with this thing. Could be that this is just all flipping dirty. Looks pretty flipping dirty to me. I'll give it the old how you doing with the compressor. Give it the old how you doing with the compressor and see what happens. Let's try it now. It comes on. Sparking. Alright, that flame looks a little better there. There we go. Yeehaw. That shit. Definitely looks better. Alright, so I think that might have did it, just cleaning it. You see it? Alright, good. I mean, maybe next time you clean it yourself or whatever, but what I did was, I'll shut it off, but she's fired right up. So what I did was I blew it all out there with my compressor, right?
Yeah.
And there's a couple of little rods in there I cleaned with my little dead emery cloth.
Yeah.
Right. And then we'll turn it on. And it's I blew. It might have been some stuff in there. You know, inside the hood. You know, just enough to. Because what happens is when that heats up, it's got to heat that up.
Yeah.
See. See
see
how we're getting a good flame there?
Yeah. Before it was very wimpy. Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that. Beautiful.
So it just needed a good
cleaning.
Okay.
All right.
So I'll put it back together,
Right.
but I think that's gonna take care
Awesome.
of it. I mean, it's been what, 10 years you said?
Probably. Yeah. I mean,
Just needed a little.
when you came in and got it going, then we haven't, you know.
Even
we had
the
problems
fat
getting it going.
even the fat chicks need a little loving once in a while, you know.
Yeah. That's good to hear.
Right.
I think she loves you now. Okay.
The dog, yeah, she's licking me. She's trying to kill me.
How old's your dog?
My dog's actually today is the 22nd. She's 5 years old today.
Oh.
Yeah, today's her birthday.
You know, my daughter has a little one like that. Not long hair.
She's a long-haired Chihuahua. Someone give
My
it to
daughter
me.
has a little Chihuahua, and that Chihuahua will not let anyone touch her, and she walks around next to my sister all the time. She's just totally attached to her. It's amazing.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's how she is with me.
Yeah.
But this one here loves people. She'll go with.
Yeah, she seems happier. My sister's dog is always nervous.
Good, how you doing? Needed. Keep it simple, stupid. You hear that saying? Needs to be. Go in there and hold it up. Rocket science, Mom. Rocket science. Yes. I'm flipping rocket science. Keep it simple, stupid. Oh. Just needed a little cleaner, that's all. Works fine. Nice little fireplace. These are nice, actually. Kind of like them. Don't want to tighten the things up too much. Just snug them up. Little hooks. This hook in there. So. Same thing with that. Alright, so we'll turn it on. And that should spark, and that should heat up the sensors and then fire. Yeah, there it goes. Set for 79. I just needed a little, so needed a little cleaning. just shut off, huh? Temperature. Shut the power off and we're good to go.